In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana, from account setup to tracking progress. We'll begin by getting you into Asana. Head to the website or open the app and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. Signing up is straightforward. Use a work email if you have one so your projects are easier to organize later. Make sure to complete any quick onboarding prompts and confirm your email so all features work smoothly. If you're returning, a quick login will drop you right into your existing work. Next, set up your workspace. Think of a workspace as the home base for your team or personal projects. Give it a clear name that reflects your company, department, or personal use. Take a moment to review basic preferences like time zone and notification settings so due dates and reminders align with your schedule. If you plan to collaborate, you can invite teammates from here or add them later as you build out your projects. Now, create a project for your work. Choose a name that makes the goal obvious, like marketing launch or client onboarding. Decide whether a list or board layout fits your style. Lists are great for step-by-step tasks, while boards help visualize stages like to do, in progress, and done. You can start from a blank project or use a template if one matches your workflow. Set the project's privacy if needed so only the right people can see it. Inside your project, start adding tasks. Give each task a clear, action-focused title, and if helpful, a brief description with details or links. Organize tasks into sections or columns so related items are grouped together. When a task has multiple steps, add subtasks to break the work into manageable pieces. Attach files or add comments to provide context and keep everything in one place. Once your tasks are listed, assign them and add deadlines. Each task should have one owner so there's no confusion about who's responsible. Set due dates and start dates if timing matters to make timelines realistic and visible. If certain tasks rely on others, note that in the description or comments so the sequence is clear. This helps everyone prioritize and keeps momentum steady. Finally, track progress using project views, comments, and updates. Switch between list, board, calendar, or timeline views to see work from different angles. Use comments to ask questions, share updates, and keep discussions tied to the task. Post lightweight status updates in the project to summarize what's on track and what needs attention. As work moves forward, update task statuses, mark items complete, and review the activity or inbox to stay on top of changes. With these basics, you'll keep projects organized, deadlines visible, and your team aligned from start to finish.